हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। दिस इज संतोष और हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एजेंटिक एआई का एक और नया लेक्चर। इसमें हम लोग ये पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है एजेंटिक एआई का, जिसमें कि हम लोग एग्जीक्यूटिव्स जो हैं कैसे एजेंटिक एआई यूज़ करते हैं इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो this is our robot who is using application, generative AI application, right? So this is the transformation of AI operating as the intersection of data. So we have AI, along with that we have machine learning models and business insights. So we help organization to develop cutting edge AI product and solutions. So this is a PDF given by some particular company. So how they are using the agentic AI, they explaining in this PDF. So we will relate in that way how companies are building application based on machine learning and AI, and which helps the organizations to reduce the time and effort. So we will discuss in this PDF. So this book provides actionable insights into the agentic AI, combining Converge AI expertise with contribution from the Emergence AI. So, Emergence Artificial Intelligence shared its deep knowledge in automation. Uh, Agentic AI and generative AI, in generative AI, we create the contents, images, and text, etc. But in agentic AI, we generally focus on automation. So we have some agent-based orchestration is there. So single agent, multi-agent orchestration is there. So addressing challenges like outdated systems, complex processes, and regulatory compliance. Their solution enhance adaptability and optimize operations. By emerging these perspectives, this book is a practical guide to leveraging agentic AI, helping businesses navigate and excel in dynamic world. So we will discuss in that particular way. So agentic AI, an executive guide to in-depth understanding of agentic AI. We will discuss how executive use the agentic AI in a depth way. So we will discuss in that particular way. So we have a preface based on this artificial intelligence as the transition from the standalone tools. So there are the application, standalone application, desktop application, and web application. We have multiple type of application. In the same way, we have artificial intelligence from standalone tools for specific for the particular things or solving a particular problem with the help of these tools. So we have intelligence, artificial intelligence in that particular way. So interconnected system capable of autonomous decision making. So with the help of automated interconnected system, we can automate the decision making. So agentic AI, artificial intelligence, provide a practical framework for the leveraging these systems, enabling organizations to drive greater efficiency and the precision in their operations and innovation. So this book arrives at a pivotal moment, offering clarity and actionable guidance as the businesses address the challenges and opportunities of artificial intelligence systems that can perceive, decide, and act independently. Whether you are a technology leader, an enterprise executive or a professional exploring intelligent systems. This guide offers valuable insight into the potential of agentic AI. Through six focused chapters, we explore the journey from the fundamental concept to the practical application. We delve into the intricate anatomy of agentic AI systems, examine the power of multi-agent collaborations, and provide frameworks for orchestrating these sophisticated technologies. Most importantly, we help you assess your organization's readiness for the adopting agentic AI and guide you through real-world applications that are transforming industry today. Drawing on Converge AI expertise in data and AI solutions and emergence AI advancement in automation. So we will discuss how data and AI both combined make the automation easier and flexible to make the decision making very flexible and very efficient way. So, multi-agent orchestrations for the enterprises. This book strikes the balance between the technical depth and accessibility. Reading this guide will enhance your understanding of agentic AI, spark fresh and ideas, provide practical insights, and inspire confidence as you shape the future of the intelligence automation, helping you stay ahead in the AI landscape. So, whatever AI part, whether it is AI, agentic AI, generative AI, whatever it is, we are using or we are enhancing through the tools and technologies. These are the very basic level things. After 2030, we will get a full-fledged agentic AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning based application which uses the human emotion intelligence as in a very depth way. So this whatever we are using is very initial and very fundamental thing or fundamental like things. So we have discussed in this PDF, we will discuss introduction to the agentic AI, anatomy of agentic AI system, multi-agent system. What is the multi-agent system? We will explore that also. Orchestrating agentic AI system, your readiness for the agentic AI, practical application of agentic AI. So, agentic AI going to be most of what we do in the future. Agentic AI going to be the most of what we do in the future. So it is totally based on agentic AI. Companies need a real commitment to building AI trust and the governance capabilities. Unlike simpler Gen AI architecture, agents can produce high quality content. So we will create agents based on some data algo and AI related tools and technologies which reduce the time by 20 to 60%. AI can decrease forecasting errors by 50%, reduce excess inventory, and improve lead times. So, this is the introduction part to agentic AI, right? So this is the introduction to agentic AI. In this section, we will define what agentic AI is and more importantly, what is not. As it is often misunderstood, while agentic AI promises as a shift from the reactive to proactive problem solving, doubt remains. Is it truly real? Are all the claims about it accurate? In this section, we will cover the following topics. So, what is agentic AI? How does it stand apart from the other AI and what can it do? What value does it bring and how are businesses using it in a real world? So, understanding the shift from the reactive to proactive technologies. So, whenever we think proactively, we have more accuracy and enthusiasm as compared to reactive. So, proactive uh, things are very good, whether it real life or it's technology things. So imagine Sarah, a busy entrepreneur juggling multiple projects. So we have a multiple generally entrepreneur has a multiple project. They are handling multiple project at the same time. So she not just using a tool anymore. She working with AI assistant that does not just follow commands but understand her goals, participates her needs and take proactive steps to help her succeed. Agentic AI is like having a super intelligent collaborator. It is not just a passive tool that understands your business strategy. It suggests improvements, draft proposals, tracks market trends, and even reaches out to the potential partner without you micromanaging every step. Agentic AI is a chef, a coach, a coordinator, a project manager. So, agentic AI can be a chef, expertly manage every task to create the perfect outcome. And a coach continuously adapts strategies and leads the team to success. A coordinator orchestrates complex workflows with precision and harmony. A project manager drives progress with the minimum supervision, ensuring smooth executions. At its core, agentic AI is about understanding context beyond literal instructions. So, breaking down complex goals in a small part is a core part of agentic AI, making independent, autonomous decisions. So, basically, agentic AI are more focused on independency, autonomous decision making, and learning and adaptability dynamically, taking initiative without constant human supervision. So it's take that decision independently, and very less human effort is required for that particular decision kind of things. So the terminology means we live in an era where the terms artificial intelligence is liberally sprinkled across marketing materials, product descriptions, and tech conversations. Everything seems to be labeled as AI, creating a fog of technological hype that obscures genuine innovations. This widespread labeling has led to significant confusion, particularly between the traditional AI, non-agentic AI, and emerging world of agentic systems. So there are actually different type of AI. We have different type of AI, each with its own capabilities. When you take the time to understand these differences, it's really help in figuring out how to implement the right solution for your needs. So, clarity is the key. Knowing what each type can do make it a lot easier to use AI effectively and think about the solution that work for you. Type definitions and capabilities. So we have a traditional AI, non-agentic AI, agentic AI, and generative AI. Traditional AI, basic automation and rule-based systems execute predefined rules and logic. Non-agentic AI system that assist in the task but lack autonomy, enhance human capabilities, no independent action. Agentic AI system capable of autonomous decision making, learn and adapts to the new situations. Generative AI that create new content or solutions, generate text, images, and or other media. robotic process automation and agentic AI. So we have robotic process automations and agentic AI. So RPA excel at the prospective rule-based task with a structured data. So we have two type of data, structured data and unstructured data, like following an strict receipt. Agentic AI adapts to different situation, handling unstructured input, much like a chef improvisation with available ingredients. Large language model versus agentic AI, distinct role, complementary strength. Agents are more than large language model. Whenever we create agent for a particular task, we use the large language model. While large language model are powerful tools for processing and generating human-like text, agents are goal-driven systems capable of performing action autonomously in the dynamic environment. The table below compare the key aspect of the large language model and agents. So, aspect large language model agents. We have aspect and large language model and agents. Primarily function or core capabilities. We have language understanding and generation. Large language model is there. Agents, what agents can do in a particular primary function or core capabilities, make decision and take action towards a particular goal, and they make the autonomy, adaptability and proactive behavior, interactivity. So respond to whenever we give the large language model uh, as an input, so they respond to particular input in a reactive way. And agents operate continuously with minimum human intervention. This is the proactive things. This is the input kind things is the reactive things which uses is in the large language model. Agentic agents are a specific proactive kind of thing. They do operate in a proactive manners. In decision making, lack inherent decision making capabilities is there. Whenever you use the decision making capabilities, the inheritance property is very less, very lack inheritance is there in large language model. In agent, context aware goal driven decisions are there, so dependency need prompt to a functions. In this large language model kind of things, prompts, we need the prompts to function, right? We give the prompt to large language model or chatbot. Agents can integrate multiple tools, including large language model also, to achieve a goal. So the agent are capable of handling things with the help of multiple tools, including large language model, right, to achieve goals. Why they work together? So if you have any confusion, you can write these things in a comment below, so I will reply to a particular queries. So how they work together? Agentic AI and large language model work together to boost performance by combining a specialized agent with large language model capabilities. These agents operate in a dynamic network, communicating efficiently and learning from the past experiences to improve decision making. For example, in customer service, and large language model generates responses to customer inquiries, while agentic AI analyze the context, learn from the each interaction and human feedback, and continuously improves its responses over time, enhancing accuracy and the customer satisfaction. Reinforcement intelligence, deep learning, problem solving, machine learning, robotics, and the neural network. How agentic AI stand apart? Other AI system and agentic AI system processes data and follows instructions, output focused, reactive, and static. Goes beyond by acting autonomously to achieve goals, impact focused, proactive, and adaptive. So, this is the agentic AI. Act independently and focus on a particular goal and learn continuously. All AI system, these figure explain in that particular way. All AI system analyze and create output based on the prediction, recommendations, or the content. But agentic AI create impact. Participating needs smart assistant schedule meeting and manage tasks based on the user preferences, proactively addressing needs. Adapting to change. In supply chain management, agentic AI adjusts inventory and reroutes shipments during the disruptions to maintain efficiency. Aligning with goals. Dynamic pricing system in the e-commerce adjust prices in the real time to optimize sales and align with the business goals. Capabilities of agentic AI. Capabilities of agentic AI. Capability description and example. Autonomy operates independently once given objective and self-driving car making navigation decisions. Decision making analyze data to make informed choices. Chatbot resolving customer query autonomously. Adaptability adjusts strategies based on the real time input. And inventory management system optimizing stock levels. Language understanding interprets natural language instructions, virtual assistant processing user commands. Workflow optimization enhances processes by identifying inefficiency, automated financial reporting system. Value it's create. Scenario. A leading retail company recently implemented an agentic AI system across its operations, aiming to streamline processes and enhance customer experience. The company shared several benefits they have seen since the adoptions, right? So, what is the benefit? The following outlines the key benefit they experienced after the implementing agentic AI. So, what are these things? So, operational efficiency, automated task processing has reduced manual work by 40%. So, they automate the task processing with this effort, freeing teams to focus on strategic initiative while reducing operational cost by 50%. Real-time decision making and sales optimizations. AI-driven analyzing of real-time sales data, pricing and promotion has led to optimized strategies, driving a 20% increase in sales and enhancing overall decision making for improved performance, improved customer service. 24 by 7 AI support has increased customer satisfaction by the 25%, providing immediate assistance whenever needed. And ultra personalizations, tailored shopping experiences based on the customer behavior have boosted conversion rate by 18% and improved loyalty. Optimize resources. AI-driven inventory predictions have reduces waste by 10%, ensuring more efficient resource allocation. Smarter forecasting. Predictive analytics have the improved forecasting accuracy by the 12%, adding more effective planning for the launches and the campaigns. Employee productivity. AI support system have given employees 30% more time to focus on high priority projects like marketing and product development. So agentic AI use cases. In retail, we have use cases. Personalized shopping experience. AI agents recommend products based on the customer preferences and past behaviors. enhancing the shopping experience and boosting sales. So they recommend the product based on the customer preference in past behavior. So they use the data, whatever customer used in the past, and enhance their shopping experience and boosting sales. Inventory management. AI can autonomously track stock levels, predict demand, and reorder products, minimizing stock out and excess inventory. Manufacturing, right? Predictive maintenance. AI agent monitor equipment health, predict potential failures, and schedule maintenance, reducing downtime and repair costs. So, they supply chain optimization. AI manages inventory also, right? Track shipments. They're tracking the shipments, how things are going on, delivery related things, whether these are failed or delivered, and delay kind of things, and adjust delivery routes in the real time, improving the operational efficiency and reducing costs. Healthcare. So we have AI, agentic AI in healthcare also. Patient monitoring. AI agents track patient vitals and alert healthcare provider about critical changes, enabling faster response times and better care. Personalized treatment plans. AI analyzes patient data to suggest tailored treatment options, improving patients' outcomes and the treatment efficiency. Like agentic AI use cases, biosciences, drugs, drug discovery. AI agent autonomously shift through vast database to identify potential drugs candidate, speeding up the research process. Gene editing. AI simulates the effect of the gene edits, assisting in the precise genetic research and the therapeutic development. Pharmaceutical. Clinic trial optimization. AI select trial participant and optimize trial design, improving recruitment rates and accelerating the drugs development process. Pharmacovigilance. AI monitor and analyze data for the drug side effect, helping to ensure drug safety and compliance with the regulation. Finance and insurance. Fraud preventions and risk assessment. AI detects fraud in a real time and automates risk analysis, enhancing financial security and credit evaluation. Smart automations. Automations streamlines claims processing and personalize recommendations, improving efficiency and customer satisfactions. Agentic AI use cases. In education, they use the personalized learning. AI adapt learning material to suit each student progress and style, helping improve learning outcomes and engagement. So we will discuss more about that in that particular video. I will make the videos lecture based on that. So how the AI adapt learning material to suits each student progress and their styles. So automated grading. AI agents handle grading of assignments and the exams, saving educator times and ensuring consistency in evaluations. So, telecommunication, network optimization. AI monitor network performance in a real time, detecting issues and automatically adjusting resources to maintain the service quality. Customer support automations. AI chatbot provide real time support, resolving customer issues and reducing wait times for the service request. Constructions. Project scheduling and management. AI agents optimize constructions timelines, track project milestones, and predict potential delays, ensuring timely project completion, site monitoring, and safety. AI can monitor construction sites in the real time, identify safety hazard, and ensuring compliance with the safety regulation, reducing incident. So in this chapter 2, anatomy of an agentic AI system, we will discuss in that particular way. In this section, we explore the core component of agentic AI, right? So anatomy of an agentic AI system, how the component of agentic AI explaining how they work together to enhance autonomous decision making and action. On what they are classified, how do agents perceive and interact with their environment, what drives their decisions, how can they adapt and learn over time. How we cover the following topics: the building block of agentic AI, key components, perception, reasoning, planning, learning, and execution, types and category of agents, and applications across industries. So in this particular graph, how things are going on is given below. A journey into the heart of autonomous intelligence. Agentic AI refers to the system capable of autonomous decision making and action in pursuit of specific objectives. We have seen this field evolve from a set of the theoretical ideas to practical systems shaping industries. If you have been in AI long enough, you know we are standing on the shoulders of giants. Let us take you through this and breaking it down so you see not just what it is, but how it's work and why it matters. Early software agent have it introduced actor as a con- self-contained interactive object with the internal state capable of the concurrent actions and communication via message passing. Intelligent agent, these agents advanced ta- tactical decision making but lacked long-term goals, focusing on isolated tasks within workflows. Autonomous agent. Modern agents sense and act on their environment to pursue long-term goals, influencing future state for the continuous progress. 99 90 impact, 2000 impact, and present revolutionized distributed computing with the object oriented paradigm and laid foundation for the modern microservices. 2000 impact enhanced workflow automations and introduced a rule based decision system in the enterprise environments. Present impact enabling self-driving system, smart assistant, and adaptive industry automation with continuous learning. The core pillar from the perception to executions. How we will go in that particular way. Agentic AI system function like a well-coordinated orchestra with each component playing a vital role in achieving harmony. This is harmony. Perception, the eyes on the ear of AI. Agentic AI start by perceiving its environment, leveraging technologies such as computer vision and natural language processing to convert raw data into the actionable insight. Example, in a production line, an AI system identified defective products by the analyzing images in the real time, reducing waste and boosting efficiency. Reasoning, the brain behind the decision. Reasoning enables the system to predict pattern, make connection, and draw conclusion. The production line AI uses reasoning to correlate defect patterns with the specific machine errors, enabling proactive maintenance and preventing downtime. Planning and charting the path to success. Planning ensures that the agentic AI system is strategized effectively, optimizing resources and achieving goals within constraints. The production line AI plans the allocation of the inspections resources to area with higher defect probabilities, ensuring streamlined operations and minimum delays. Learning continuous improvement. Agentic AI system learn from the past experiences and adapt in the real time, enhancing their capabilities. Example, over time, the production line AI learned to recognize emerging defect patterns, continuously improving its detection accuracy and reducing false positives. Verification ensuring accuracy before actions. Verification checks the accuracy and reliability of the AI reasoning, planning, and learning before the execution, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. Example, the AI verify is its model against the new data before applying strategies. Execution, transforming plans into the action. Execution is where AI manifests its strategies, automating tasks with the precision and consistency. The production line AI integrates with the system to automatically improve defective products, ensuring qualities control with minimum human intervention. Understanding the building block. At the heart of every agentic AI system lies a delicate interplay of key element. Environment, the external world the agent interact with, and agents the entirely perceiving and acting on environment. So the sensor percepts actions based on environment and effector. So goals and actions, the desired to outcome driving the agent actions, and action the decision and the behavior taken to the achieve objective. The interaction between the agent, its environment, and its action form the foundation of agentic AI. So these three things, agent, environment, and action, are very, very important. The environment can be static or dynamic. It is a flexible kind of thing. And the agent can be reactive or proactive. So based on the prompt or based on the tools, technologies, planning for the future outcomes, they be divided into the reactive to proactive. The agent use of the memory and learning from the interaction enables continuous improvement, leading to more effective and adaptive decision making. As we progress, we will see how different decision making models influence how these components work together. So, this is the defining characteristic of agent. So, what is the characteristic of agent? Agent have been defined in a various way and have been point of decision for the some time now, especially after the introduction of large language model and the visual language model. It is useful to have one encompassing definition that is extensible as well as expressive, building on the commonly understood concepts from the past. For us, we refer to the few basic principles that embody an agent, and we use them to develop the notion of an agent object in the world of large language model and the VLM. We have distilled the following primary concepts that need to embody why an agent object in order for them to be programmed scalably to build a robust system. Autonomy. So we have a different kind of things. This we will discuss in a lecture, next lecture. Till that time, we are stopping here. So in tomorrow session, we will carry on from this lecture onwards, this slide onwards. So thank you for watching. If you like this lecture, you can like, share, or subscribe. For more interactive session, you can comment and write your problems, your next agentic AI kind of things, what you want to learn in agentic AI, so you can put or mention in chat or comment below. So we will make the this conversation more interactive and uh, more user friendly. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.